Today, we are replacing a water heater expansion tank and TMP relief valve. The expansion tank is waterlogged and dripping from the pressure stem. This is causing the TMP to open and leak due to it being a closed system, which means there is a backflow prevention device somewhere down the line, not allowing water to expand back into the main water supply or city supply line. The reason the TMP relief valve opened is because as water temperature increases, its molecules gain energy and move faster, spreading further apart, which increases the total volume. When this happens, the relief valve opens after 150 psi. So that way you do not have an active bomb in your house. Mythbusters has a very good video about water heaters blowing through a 3-story house. I'll link that down below. We replace the TMP valve whenever they are leaking, either way as a precaution in case of failure. After the expansion tank is installed, we pressurize the tank to a working pressure. This helps with the thermal expansion effect. An under-pressurized tank will render the thermal expansion tank useless. If you enjoy this video, subscribe. I'm looking at getting better recording equipment in the future, and this will help with that.
Are you just leaving from the shop? Are you just leaving from the shop? No? Alright, never mind then. Okay, sounds good. Alright. Alright, sounds good. Alright, bye.